Hey North Park, Mr. Past here. I am going to be teaching you how to upload unlisted videos on YouTube. The reason we upload videos to YouTube unlisted is so nobody in the public can search for our content. Does that mean somebody in the public cannot see your content? No. You could always share a video with somebody, whether it is a relative or a friend from another school. They can see your videos only if they have the link, and we'll talk about that a little later. All right, so let's dive in. So here you can see my iPad screen, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up my browser, Chrome. And you can see in the top right corner, my little picture there means that I am signed in. It might be the first letter of your first name, or it might be a blue box that says sign in. If it's the first letter of your first name, you're good, you're signed in. If it says sign in, you're going to have to click that and sign in using your North Park Elementary School email address. Okay, so now we go to youtube.com. So here we are in YouTube, and you can still see that I'm signed in. There's my picture up there. I'm going to go ahead and click that picture, and it takes me to my channel homepage. Now, you might need to create your YouTube channel. If you do, that's okay, go ahead and do that. But if you already have a YouTube channel, you will be looking at the screen here. So go ahead and click that red circle with the white arrow in it, and this is how we upload videos. Okay, so here we are on our upload page. First thing is to change the word public to unlisted. And again, the reason we do that is because all school videos must be safe from the public. So we want only the people who we want to see their videos to see our videos. So we change it to unlisted, and now we're ready to choose our video. So I click this arrow in the middle and then select photo library. And then I can choose all photos, and here I've got some different videos to upload. I'm going to do this one in the middle and then click done. You can go ahead and play to make sure it is the video that you do in fact want to upload. Yep, this is the one I want to upload. So then I'll click use, and it will compress the video. All right, so here we are. First things first, we need to change the title. So YouTube upload tutorial. I'll go ahead and describe it, and then tag it. Tags are search words that when people type stuff into YouTube, if they type one of the words that we've tagged our video might populate in their search results. But because our videos are unlisted, they will not populate in search results. But it's always good to get in the habit of tagging our videos for when you do start to post public. So just make sure that you are in fact unlisted. At the bottom, you can choose a thumbnail. That's the picture that appears when people first upload your video. You could choose to be a picture of something that's not your video, like your face waving or whatever you want. And then when you're ready, you click done, and it brings you to the link that you find your video at. So go ahead and click that link and choose Gmail, and now you can send it to somebody. But if I were to get an email with that as the title, I would think it's spam. So go ahead and delete that subject that it comes up with for you, and you're going to want to create your own subject. Something that whoever you're emailing the video to would know that this isn't junk mail. And then go ahead and send it. So now I know where to find my YouTube video. If you were to click email here, it will take you to a page where you can send your YouTube videos to people, but because our North Park Elementary School email addresses cannot receive from outside sources, that will not work. And to show you that it's not going to work, I'm going to go ahead and enter in my email address. Here we go, past@npeschool.org. And then if you wanted to put in an optional message, you could, but this is just to show you that this doesn't work. So you don't have to do that. And then I'm going to hit send. So remember now I've sent 2 emails to myself, one that did work and one that did not work. And now let's go back to the home screen and check our email and you'll see that only one of those videos came through. See? And when I refresh my inbox, only one. So the second way of sending a video will not work. All right, that's it for my tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I can't wait to see your content. Bye.